Yo, freeze, then I tried to make you freeze, then I tried to make you warm. Cause you always got what it takes to act like you're some kind of hard-ass clown. But I know better than that. I know you're way too long. You see, I know about your background. It wasn't easy, I know for sure. But there's no reason to crack. It's in the past, I learned to let it go. And be who you are now, who you supposed to be. Now listen, girl, learn how to love yourself again, and then just fly out, girl, 'cause you're worth it. You fell, and I tried to get you fell, and I tried to get you up. 'Cause when things don't work out, oh no, you shut yourself up, let it all just drop. But that is not the way it works. That's not the way it works. And I know that it's easy to hate yourself out there. You must realize the blackbirds need to be loved as well. Oh yeah, the blackbirds need to be loved as well.